This retail distribution center manages over 18,000 SKUs in their 60,000 square foot warehouse that is divided into 28 zones. They have 12 shelving zones, where they are picking 50 lines per hour, 2 horizontal carousel zones double stacked with 3 carousels on each level. From the first floor carousels, they are picking about 350 lines per hour from 3,100 front store SKUs. While at the top floor carousels, they are picking about 575 lines per hour from 7,100 FOMA SKUs. Both zones have a 10-position batch station to allow batch picking, and they are using scan verification to ensure accuracy in these zones. On average, they are picking 460 lines per hour from the horizontal carousel zones. They additionally have 9 flow rack zones with a 3-level mezzanine where they are picking 60 lines per hour, and 5 bulk rack zones where they are picking 50 lines per hour. Using a parallel picking strategy, SKUs for an order are picked at the same time in each zone and sent to a consolidation area where the partial orders wait until all SKUs required for that order have arrived. These SKUs are then matched up and consolidated into one order and sent to shipping.